हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए, वीडियोस को लाइक करने के लिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन हिट करने के लिए, नीचे अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट देते रहने के लिए आप सबका प्रेम पूर्वक मुस्कुराहट के साथ बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
आज विवेक बिंद्रा जी को कौन नहीं जानता। बड़ा बिजनेस.com के फाउंडर एंड सीईओ मिस्टर विवेक बिंद्रा आज हर एक एंटरप्रेन्योर के रोल मॉडल हैं। वे एक बिजनेस कंसल्टेंट होने के साथ साथ एक बहुत अच्छे मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर भी हैं। उनकी कंपनी बड़ा बिजनेस.com आज भारत के सबसे बड़ी कंपनियों में से एक है। आज बड़ा बिजनेस.com इतनी बड़ी कंपनी है, पर क्या आप जानते हैं उन्होंने इस कंपनी की शुरुआत काफी छोटे से की थी। शुरुआती दौर पर उनकी कंपनी में कोई एम्प्लॉय नहीं था, वो अकेले ही काम करते थे। उन्होंने YouTube से शुरुआत की और आज वो हर एक व्यक्ति जो बिजनेस करता है या फिर करना चाहता है वो मिस्टर विवेक बिंद्रा जी को फॉलो करता है। पर आज हम ये देखेंगे कि उनका YouTube का पहला वीडियो कैसा था, तो चलिए देखते हैं।
Hi, today's small session will talk about a subject called power of habits. We want to change our habits. Many times we are disturbed with what's happening around us. We keep doing some kind of those nonsensical things. We know that we shouldn't do it and we're still doing it. Any man who is addicted to alcohol, cigarette, illicit sex, gambling, etc., he knows I am doing wrong. When he is absolutely addicted to it, he is aware that he has done something wrong and he regrets for the day when he started. Now if he wants to leave that, how will he do it? Now Gita discusses that in detail if you want to create transformation in life. Bhagavad Gita is a book not on information, it's a book of complete transformation. This information is available on Google. Go Google, you get every information, but if you want transformation, go to Bhagavad Gita. This is a series of Bhagavad Gita that program that we have been now sharing these videos with you. You will like it very much. In chapter number 3, Arjuna is asking this question. Of course, the question is detailed. I'll pick up only one shloka, chapter number 3, verse number 41. The question Arjuna is asking, my Lord, why do we have these nonsensical habits? I don't want to get involved into a wrong misdeed, a wrong activity. Still I do it. I end up doing it. I don't want to do it. Still I do it. I don't know why. Who impels me, inspires me, motivates me to do these wrong things? Krishna gives a series of shlokas to that answer that you can attend with us when you attend our detailed training programs. A short one shloka I'll pick up is Tasmad Indriyani Ado Niyamya Bharatarshaba Papma Nam Prajahi Henam Jnana Vijnana Nashanam. Krishna says, we've got 5 senses, all of us we know. Control those 5 senses, regulate them. Check at the entry gates. Don't allow unwanted man, person, thought, desire or association to get in. When you control these 5 senses, regulate them in the beginning, what will happen? Ado means the beginning. Tasmat. Indriyani ado. Control your senses in the beginning. I'll explain. How do we do it? What will happen? Niyamya bhartarshaba, regulate them, niyamit, control them. What will happen? If you don't do it, jnana vijnana nashanam. The negativities around will be so powerful, they will uproot all your knowledge and wisdom and you end up doing wrong things, even unwanted. Powerful. Krishna gives detailed, powerful solutions. He works on deep down inside the consciousness of a man. Through Arjuna, he is giving this message to all of us. Now, let's hear what he says. The understanding of the shloka is, if you control on the kind of association you have, the books you read, the movies you watch, the television programs you see, or the friends you keep, or whatever association you're around, jaisa sang, vaisa rang. So in the beginning, regulate the kind of programs that you watch on television. You know, if you watch programs which are all about illicit sex, pornographies, the training in some of the soap serials is given in such a way where the Indian housewives are trained to hop into multiple beds and peeping into somebody else's house, what's happening into their house. There is a famous program that's coming on the television these days that talks about peeping into somebody else's house, just see what's happening there. So when garbage in, garbage out, good in, good out, positivity in, positivity out, negativity in, negativity out. If you control the kind of association you are living in, you can influence upon your future by having automatically creating good habits and actions. You know why? It is said, watch your thought becomes your words, watch your word becomes your action. And these actions will create your habits will form your character, and that creates the destiny. So everything begins with the thought. But where are these thoughts coming from? They get reinforced with the kind of programs that you watch. So create good association in life. That's the sum and substance of the shloka. If you regulate your senses, you can regulate your actions. When you regulate your actions, you can regulate your habits. When you regulate your habit, you regulate your character, and destiny automatically goes up. In fact, Chanakya Pandit also trained Chandragupta Maurya into the same principle of having good principle-centered, character-centered, morality-centered habits. Chanakya Pandit cultivated a global leader out of Chandragupta Maurya, son of mother's name Mura, created a dynasty called Maurya. Many times people say, Jo Jeeta Vahi Sikandar. No, we don't agree to that. We say, Jo Jeeta Vahi Chandragupta Maurya, not Sikandar. Because it was Chandragupta Maurya who uprooted the entire dynasty of Sikandar. And he pushed them, threw them out of our country, did not allow them in fact to enter inside our country. Based on one thing, power of habits. Principle-centered, character-centered leader in an organization goes really long way. So there's a detailed discussion in 8 shlokas about this subject on power of habit in Bhagavad Gita. Thank you very much for right now. Keep watching us for more programs.